Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time an activity ends on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable the activity end notification sound on the Discord app for PC, so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused experience. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see your servers and chats. Now look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to it, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Once you're inside the user settings menu, take a look at the list on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can customize all sorts of notification preferences. Now focus on the section called Sounds. This is where Discord lets you control which events trigger notification sounds. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Activity End. By default, this sound is usually enabled. To turn it off, simply click the toggle switch next to Activity End. The switch should turn gray, indicating that the sound is now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Activity End notification sound. From now on, you won't be interrupted by that particular alert, making your Discord experience a bit more peaceful. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these steps again and flip the switch back to the on position. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.